Mount Shari is one of Japan's 100 famous mountains, according to mountaineer Kyuya Fukada, so naturally we had to check it out. Mount Shari is located in the northeast of Hokkaido, near Shirotoko, and the trailhead is very easy accessible. You can just drive up a gravel road with your car, and you're there. Okay, now we are at the official trailhead, and it says only 3.6 kilometers to the summit. Should be, well, obviously it's not flat. Elevation change is 800 meters, but I think we can do it in roughly 2 hours. For now we're just hiking along the river. It's an adventure. That's what hiking is all about. To get something nice. And always, if you're not sure, everywhere in Japan, always follow the pink ribbons. They will lead the trail. Okay, we are yet at another fork, and well, it's the second station, I can tell you that. The rest of the kanji I can't read. I just looked on my map, and apparently if you turn left it is shorter. The left path is very steep. Like the first 20-25 minutes along the river with all the river crossings are really fun and exciting, but as with every mountain, if you want to go to the top, at some point you have to go uphill, and I guess I've reached the point now. Okay, I'm back at the river. It was all an illusion that we would have left it behind, and now comes more climbing. You can always, when you look back, enjoy the view, and then you have those massive rocks, like the small little path we have to kinda scrooge through. It feels just awesome. This is what adventure hiking, climbing is all about. Whoever planned this trail, it's like one of the best trails I've ever been on to. But be careful though. Do not attempt to hike that trail when it has been raining for a couple of days, as the river will be swollen and it will be too slippery and way too dangerous, so you have to wait at least for 2 or 3 days of dry weather. That's like the best hike in Japan so far, and definitely the top 5 worldwide I've ever been on to. Nearly at the top. Just go over the false peak and then traverse into the summit. First hour and a half just hiking up the waterfall and the rivers. That's amazing. And then you have the last 20 to 30 minutes. It's just like the really dry scree, which is kinda annoying, but the view is awesome. Right now it's cloudy, so we don't have the best view, but I can only imagine how good it looks once it is like a perfect clear day. But yeah, if you're nearby Shari or on the road to Bron Tokaido, definitely stop by to hike up Mount Shari. The hike is just amazing.